Hello everyone, welcome to a new video series in which I will explain verbs that describe different body actions. This is the first video of this series in which I will teach you verbs that describe different body movements and ways of walking. So this is going to be fun. Let's dive into the video. The very first action is tiptoe. Tiptoe means to walk on your toes. So you walk quietly on your toes. Your heels are off the ground, your heels are not touching the ground, and then you walk on your toes. Let me act it out for you. So you walk like this. So I'm just tiptoeing now. I'm tiptoeing now. What I'm doing? I'm tiptoeing now. So tiptoe means to walk on your toes, front parts of your feet, without touching your heels on the ground. So there is a gap between, you can see it, there is a gap between the ground and my heels. So my heels are lifted off the ground. This is tiptoe. I am tiptoeing right now. Let's move on to the next action, that is to walk barefoot. To walk barefoot means to walk without wearing any footwear. So your feet are open, they are not protected, and you walk without wearing any footwear. Let me show that to you. So I am just taking off my footwear so that I can act it out for you. Let me take off my socks. So I am walking barefoot now. I am walking barefoot. I am not wearing any footwear. So my feet are open. To walk barefoot means to walk without wearing any footwear. You can see. Oh, something is hurting my sole. No, nothing is there. I am just kidding. But remember, walking barefoot can sometimes hurt your feet. So make sure you put on your footwear before stepping out. The next one is stroll. Stroll is a verb which means to walk in a slow and relaxed way, just for pleasure. So you don't have any purpose. You walk very slowly and relaxedly. So I am strolling in the park right now. I am just strolling in the park. I enjoy strolling with my friends after dinner. Do you like strolling? If yes, let me know in the comment section below. The next verb is limp. Limp means to walk slowly with difficulty because of an injured or painful leg or foot. So you walk like this. So I am limping now. Limp means you are not able to walk properly because of having an injured or painful leg or foot. I remember once I twisted my ankle, which caused me to limp for a few days. I remember that. So limp means you are not able to walk properly. You walk slowly with difficulty, just like this. So you have difficulty walking. Alright, let's take a look at the next one, that is pace. What is pace? Pace is a verb which means to walk back and forth. So you walk in one direction and then back again. So you do that several times. So that is pace. You do it when you are feeling angry or nervous. Let me show it to you. So you just walk like this. So I am pacing right now. Next action is sprint. Sprint means to move quickly or to run as fast as you can. Maybe you have something to do quickly, or you are in a hurry, or you just want to do something very quickly. For example, a bus is passing by you and you are supposed to catch it in 5 seconds. So how would you rush? You would sprint, right? So you can sprint just like this. So this was sprinting. So sometimes what happens is that you notice something is overboiling in the kitchen. So you sprint there and you turn off the gas. Alright. Now the last one is crawl. Crawl means to move on your hands and knees with your body on or close to the ground. I shall do that. So I am crawling now. I am crawling right now. So babies crawl all the time, and our soldiers sometimes have to crawl on borders. Crawl means to move on hands and knees with your body on or close to the ground. Alright, so these were a few verbs that you can use to describe different body movements and ways of walking. In my next video, I will teach you verbs that describe the actions of your hand movements and arm actions. So, for example, what is this called in English? What is the verb to explain this action? Or what is the verb to explain this action of moving my hand upward? So, everything is going to be covered. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.